Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Photos as Screensaver on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Alright, let's get started. We're going to head over to Quick Settings and then All Settings. From All Settings, you go down and go ahead and click on System. From System, click on Ambient Mode and go down to Settings. Now you find Google Settings, Google Photos right here. It's one of the channels you can use to bring in ambient screensavers. So just do a slideshow of selected memories from Google. So your Google Photos, but it has a significant requirement. If you click on this, you see a message saying that ambient settings. To have access to these settings and change your ambient settings, you have to link your account to this TV. So to do so, you have to open the Google Home app on your phone, select the TV, which is this Chromecast, and then request invite to home or add to a room. Now when that's done, the Google Photos you have on that Google account will be used for the slideshow. And that's how you do it. So if you found that insightful, you can enjoy the screenshots, the screensavers, you can enjoy the ambient mode with personalized memories of yourself on Google Photos. Subscribe to the channel if that was useful, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.